how to use Perplexity AI. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to use Perplexity AI. First, open your web browser and go to the Perplexity AI website. Then, click on Sign Up if you don't have an account yet. If you already have an account, click on Login. Here, you will need to enter your email address and create a password. Follow the prompts to complete the registration process. After that, log in to your account. Now, you can start by exploring the available features. Perplexity AI may offer various tools like text generation, summarization, or data analysis. To use a specific feature, select it from the dashboard or main menu. Then, enter the input data or text you want to work with. For example, if you're using a text generation tool, type in a prompt or a topic you're interested in. Next, click on Generate or the corresponding button to see the AI's output. You can review and refine the results as needed. Some platforms allow you to adjust settings or provide feedback to improve accuracy. Finally, save or export the results if needed, and continue exploring other features or tools Perplexity AI offers. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.